Dear students, welcome to my online classes. In this video, we shall discuss about introduction to the chapter number systems. Let's learn together. These are the instructions the student must follow. Create a regular study space and stay organized. Arrange the notebooks or classworks ready. Actively participate in learning activities. Be attentive and stay focused. Focus on understanding the concept and prepare your own notes. Make use of this opportunity and learn better. Practice makes perfect. It is impossible to study mathematics properly by just reading or listening. Practice, practice, and more practice. Happy learning together. Students, in the previous classes, you have learnt about number line. What do you mean by number line? A number line is a straight line with number placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and usually represented horizontally. You can see the number line in the picture. It is extending in the positive direction as well as negative direction. Now let's do the activity. Now suppose if we start walking along the number line and collecting some of the numbers. Students, get a box and be ready to store them. I have kept a box ready for myself. Prepare a box on your own and be ready to store the numbers in these boxes, and we shall differentiate the different types of numbers by walking on the number line. Now we'll start collecting the numbers. Now let's begin with picking the only counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and I'll put it in a box. These numbers are called as natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers. Usually we denote it by n. I'll repeat, the counting numbers are called as natural numbers. It is denoted by n. Oh, now I'll turn and walk all the way back, pick up 0 and put it into the bag. These numbers are called as whole numbers. It is usually denoted by W. Whole numbers are those natural numbers with 0. It's called as whole numbers. Usually it is denoted by the letter W. Now my second box is filled with whole numbers. Let's fill the third box. Now I'll pick up all the natural numbers, then 0, then all the negative integers, and I'll put it into the bag. Now this collection of numbers are called as integers. All the positive integers, negative integers, and 0 is called as integers. Usually we denote it by the letter Z. I'll repeat, integers are the whole numbers and negative integers. Students, do you observe any numbers still left on the number line? Of course, yes. There are numbers like fractions still left on the number line if I put all such numbers into the bag, these numbers are called as rational numbers. Rational numbers are those which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. Rational numbers are those which can be expressed in the form of P by Q or called as rational numbers. The important condition is the denominator must not be equal to 0. Suppose if there are numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, which are opposite to rational numbers, yes, these are called as irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, these numbers are called as irrational numbers. Example, root 2, root 3, pi, and many such examples we can give. These are called as irrational numbers. Real numbers. Real numbers are the collection of numbers which include both rational and irrational numbers. Usually we denote it by the letter R. Real numbers are those which include both rational and irrational numbers. Important note, every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Vice versa, every point on the number line represents a unique real number. Please understand this note. Students, we have learnt about number line, then classification of numbers, that is natural numbers or counting numbers, whole numbers are natural numbers with 0, then integers, negative integers along with whole numbers are called as integers, rational number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, and opposite of that is irrational number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q. Then we studied about real numbers is collection of both rational and irrational numbers. Thank you for watching, students. Hopefully it was useful. Please subscribe, like and share for more videos, and prepare notes on your own so that you can understand it in better way. Thank you.